Okay, here's one that ticks all those boxes. Got all the colors, nice pattern, that rolling flash type of pattern. And we like that gold. I mean, red's the rarest of all colors. Let's see how you got this golden look. Isn't that nice? So even in low light, it looks great. If you put on black, if you wear black under this opal, it will stand out even more. And it's a nice modern design. Little diamond on the side there. Nice pattern. Really cool. And this opal, if you haven't read the content below, it's from Cooper Pedy, and not a doublet, not a triplet, and certainly not synthetic. This is real 100% natural solid opal, and that's the opal which is rare and hard to get. And for us guys who buy it in bulk, it's expensive.